Today now TC there is matter around us pure. Now today I discuss solution, suspension and colloid. What is the solution, what is the suspension, what is the colloid? Generally solution means true solution. Generally when we discuss the solution means true solution. Yesterday I did what is the true solution? First, it is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture. What is the meaning of the homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture means the particle means three things first we know. One is the solute. What is the solute? We dissolve in the solvent. Solute means we dissolve. And solvent in which it dissolves. And after that solute and solvent mix together, then make the solution. If suppose that solute will dissolve in the water, such type of the solution is known as the aqueous solution, because aqueous means water, means aqueous solution. If it will be given the another of the substance, then it will say the non-aqueous solution. Suppose the non-aqueous solution means, suppose that petrol are mixed in the KY. What type of the solution there? This is a non-aqueous solution. But when salt mixed in the water, then what we say? Saline, salt water is the aqueous solution. Why aqueous? Because it will be soluble in the water. So it will be divided into three parts: solution, suspension and colloid. So first we discuss the solution means true solution, homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture means solute are not visible under microscope. If we are taken the saline is there and we see water, salt is mixed in there, if we will take in the test tube and we see under the microscope, salt is not visible. Such type of the solution is known as the homogeneous mixture. And particle of the size is the 10 minus 9 nm, nanometers. Diameter is the particle. So it is very small is there, we cannot see under the microscope. Particle can be seen microscope passes through the filter paper, and such of the solution can pass from the filtered paper. Filtered paper cannot separate. Suppose that you have taken the salt plus water, salty water, and take a filter paper passes is there, then what will have done is there? Salt will be also passes from the filtered paper. What is the filter paper? You should know it. The filter paper is a paper where very small pore is present is there. Very small pore is present is there. That's why when we filter it there, in a test tube, you take one test tube and take filter paper, or take the beaker and take the filter paper and give the solution. Then what you have done is there? No residue left on the filter paper. Why? Because salt will be also passes from this particle. So such type of the solution is known as the true solution. Scattering of light, and fourth thing is there, it will be not scattering the light. If you have taken the true solution is there in a glass and you burn a torch is there, switch on the torch, then what you will see there? All the light will be passes from here. They will not scattering the light. Not so the Tyndall effect. What is the first you should know what is the Tyndall effect? What is the Tyndall effect? Tyndall effect means scattering of light. Scattering of light. So true solution will be not scattering the light. Means why not scattering the light? Because particle is so small, so it can pass it from this particle. But not suspension. In suspension what happens? This is the heterogeneous. What is the heterogeneous means? Particle will be visible is there. Suppose that example given the chalk powder and water. Otherwise sand and water. Then what we have done is there in this heterogeneous suspension is there. We see particle are visible is there. When we see particle will be visible is there. After that what happens in the true solution, when keep the undisturbed for the some time, suppose the salt and water we keep the undisturbed for the some time, solute will be not dissolved. But here what happens suspension, sand and water are mixing together, muddy water you mix together. After that what will have done is that all the sand will be after few time what we see that all the particles settle down here and water will come in here. Suppose that very good example is there in the rainy season we see muddy water is there, but after that when this water go to the pond, after that few months what we have done is that water become the clean. Why? Because it is a suspension, all mud will be come in the down. But in the true solution it is not possible, but suspension is possible is there. Why? Size of the particle, we can say size of the particle is the 100 nanometer. Diameter is 100 nanometer. So due to this, what happens? It can not passes from the filter paper. We can easily separate by the filtration. You can separate it there. Scattering, and this will be scattering of the light. When you are taken the same muddy water is there, and when you pass the light from it, then what you will see there, some of the light will be come in the particle and scattering the light. They will show the scattering of light. But now come with the collide, suspension collide. Collide, what we see there, it will be also looking to the homogeneous mixture, but it is not a homogeneous mixture. Example is the milk. Milk. What happens? In the milk, cream is present is there. But when you will see under the microscope, then cream will be visible is there. Means it is not a homogeneous as it is a true solution. Its particle is between the solution and suspension. Size of the particle between the solution and suspension. Collide. Means 1 nm to 100, between the 1 nm to 100 nm of the diameter is there. Now if we ask it there, what is the difference between the solution, suspension and collide, then what we see there, it will be solution not pass, it will be whatever, it will be passes from the true solution, collide will also passes from the true solution, but suspension not passes from the true solution. After that, solution if we keep undisturbed is there, solute will be not settle down, and collide also not settle down. If we are keeping one glass of the milk for 1 hour, then cream will be never settle down is there. But cream we can separate by the another process. Another process means sanctification process. We can separate it there. But if you want to the filter paper, we separate, not possible is there. And this is the difference. And what is the suspension? It is scattering of the light. It will be also scattering of the light, and it not scattering of the light. But suspension and collide, what is the difference between suspension and collide? Suspension collide, it will be also scattering of the light, but what they will not shown is there, it will be passes from the, it will be separated by the filter paper, but collide cannot separate by the filter paper. Both show the Tyndall effect. This is a difference between solution, suspension and collide. Now classification of collides. First, soul. What is the soul? Solid particles are dispersed into liquid medium. If any of the solid particles are dispersed into the liquid medium, that is known as the soul. Suppose that what? We can say soap or ink. Example of the soap and ink. What happens? Ink or ink is found in the tablet stage. It will be dissolved in the water and make the ink. So it is a soul. Solid soul. Solid soul means if the solid particles are, the two solid particles are mixed together. Suppose a color gem stone. Have you seen the color gem stone? What happens is there? One of the stone, another of the stone mixing together in such a way that they cannot separate by easy ways. Anyway, we can separate there. Now solid soul. Solid soul. Now aerosol. Solid particles are dispersed into the liquid medium. Aerosol, when solid particles are dispersed into the liquid medium, that is known as the aerosol. Suppose a fog. You know how fog is the fog? When some of the dust particles, when there is the dust particle in the atmosphere, when water vapor has come in there, then what happens? Water vapor will condense in the dust particle and they make the fog. So we can say, so what we say is that solid are dispersed into the liquid medium. Now emulsion, liquid to liquid. When two other liquids mixing together, then we can say the emulsion. Suppose that what we say face cream. Face cream. What happens? Two liquid medium are mixed in such a way we cannot separate by the filtration. Now come in the foam. Gas displacing into the liquid. When gas will be dispersed into the liquid, a gas will be dispersed into the liquid medium. Then it is known as the foam. Shaving cream. We can say the shaving cream. What happens? A gas will be mixed into the liquid. Now solid form. When solid particles are dispersed into the liquid medium, how you say the rubber? You know it there. What happens? There is a many hole is there, and gas will be feed in this gas. So what happens here? One of the gas will feed in the solid medium. Now come into the solid form. Gel, solid dispersed in the liquid medium. Now gel, what will occur in the gel? When the solid dispersed into a liquid medium, jelly. Jelly is what happens is a jelly, solid are dispersed in the liquid medium. They make the jelly. Jelly, you know, is there. So this is the classification of colloid. Colloid